be honest. Hey, how much? How much? Fucking sick, kids on Honda RAV4. Fucking great. Yeah, I guess. That's what you deem cool. Recaro seats, dog? The fucking... I don't know. I'm kind of about these new type bars. These things pretty fucking rad, dude. Oh, yeah. It fucking sucks. Something like that, so short to ground, would cause full-on Chernobyl in a fucking coil pack.